Way she do it, I mean, I'm like, whoa, whoa. Been with her since before I had a phone. I've been with the gang, we some puff-ups. Stay on top of green like a putt-putt-putt. Acting all mean, get it, yo. Do my own thing, so I know, I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with yet another Dress Like Celebrity challenge, and this time around we're going to be doing Shai Alexandra. We did one previously and a lot of people responded positively to it, and a lot of people have been asking us to do a part 2 of it. So this is just an update of how Shai Alexandra currently dresses, and he's not just influential in the court, he's also like very good as far as outfits that he puts together. So we're going to be putting together one outfit that he's done currently, and stick around to see how the outfit looks.
As far as NBA athletes, I think he's one of the best dressed off the court. So we're going to be using $150 and choose one of his outfits that he did currently in 2022. And we're going to build the outfit. So stay tuned.
From what I've observed so far from Shai Alexandra, he wears a lot of custom pieces, especially from Bravado. Like the last pants we did in our last video, the custom build pants. He wears those kind of pieces a lot. And he also throws in like Carhartt vintage pieces and Cactus flea market pieces to really give his outfit like a streetwear edge to it. For example, this is a very casual outfit that I can see ourselves pulling off this spring. It has a lot of spring colors to it, and I like that vintage Carhartt jacket that he's wearing. Is not heavy, it's a lightweight jacket, and that pants is definitely a custom built pants. It might be likely from Bravado as well. And I like the shoes that he's wearing, and it's very casual. It sums the outfit to a very streetwear look.
This is another casual outfit that incorporates similar colors to the previous outfit that we just talked about. It incorporates this Sherpa hoodie underneath, and he threw on a vest on top of that with some khaki pants. I think it's more of like a cargo pants, but I really like the colors that he used. I think he has on like the off-white 5s as well, which sums up the outfit to a very streetwear look. And moving to the next outfit, he was wearing this Cactus flea market hoodie on top of it, and the pants is really unique in my opinion. It has like a very unique aesthetic with the cargo pockets all over it, and he threw on some dunks or even some SBs, which really sets this outfit off and brings it to also streetwear aesthetic.
Now, most of the outfits that he's going to be wearing include a vest in a puffer style, and he includes like cargo pants, either in like a looser fitted cargo pants or like a flared denim or like a custom denim, which I think we can like kind of get a picture of like how most of his outfits are going to look and how he puts them together. Which brings me to this outfit right here. I really like the overall aesthetic of this outfit. He's wearing that YZY round jacket. We've been looking to add that in our closet for a minute now, but this is going to give us an opportunity to find a cheaper alternative to that one, because we definitely don't want to pay the hefty resale price for that jacket. And I like the pants he's wearing as well. He's wearing like leather cargo pants, or I think those are wax or leather cargo pants. So we're going to go ahead and find like one that is similar to this outfit and assimilate it.
Now I know some people are going to be like, you can just go ahead and wait for the restock of the YZY round jacket, but we wanted to push ourselves to find an alternative for this round jacket. So we were looking for one for days, and we actually found one on Cotton Zone. It has like a very similar structure and similar fit to the YZY round jacket. I think it has like a slight shine to it, but it's definitely going to give us the same look. Now, as far as the pants, we found it on Minimal. It has the same cargo pockets, and it looks like the structure is very similar to it, but his has more of like a flare at the bottom, so we might like give it a flare at the bottom as well. But this one is wax, and it's not like overall leather like his, but it's definitely going to give us a similar look.
We certainly went over budget building this outfit, so it helps to find like sneakers in your closet that will work with the outfit. I think any dark Air Jordan 4s would really go with this outfit. But we have this Air Jordan 4 taupe haze in our closet, and I think it's very similar to what he's wearing, so it will go perfectly with this outfit. Now, before we show you guys how the outfit looks, please guys go ahead and drop a like on this video because it really helps the channel grow. And please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video.
And guys, let us know if this outfit that we put together is very similar to what Shai Alexander was wearing, and drop down in the comments. Let us know which other celebrities in the NBA could dress. And until then, guys,
we'll see you guys in our next video.